Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 1 of the 10-day Squeegee Art Challenge. Be sure to tag me on Instagram at heatherboyd.art if you create any of the squeegee art from the challenge. And without further ado, here's today's tutorial. Today I'm making a plaid cat collage inspired by a kid's craft project. I'm using the Liquitex soft body acrylics and the folk art acrylics. I'm starting with the Liquitex soft body acrylics and using them directly from the pots, and I'm going to put some color at one end of my paper. I'm going to alternate different lengths of strokes from dots to lines, and we want to continue in a straight line, and then we are going to pull the paint with our squeegee right across the paper. I'm using 140-pound watercolor paper. Don't worry if it's not even, because we are going to cut shapes out of the paper. Now we're going to go on the other side so we can make a plaid pattern, and keep putting the colors that you want in dots or little lines, and then get your squeegee, hold the paper firmly, push the squeegee down and across. And you want to do some experimenting with the plaid patterns, with the paint, with the size of the dots. And we're going to make a few sheets of this plaid pattern, and then I will choose the one I like the best to make the collage. Making sure you hold the paper firmly because you can see it will move. Now I'm going to create a pattern for the cat. So just drawing out my shapes. You can just do it very simply. You need a body, a head, the ears, the legs, and the tail. To make the legs, I just folded a paper into 4 pieces, and I'm going to cut them all out at once so they're the same size. I'm just free-forming it. You can draw them out first. This is just a really fun, crafty project to do with your squeegee patterns. Now we're going to trace out our pattern pieces of the cat onto our plaid painted pattern, and then we are going to cut them out. Just with the scissors. We want to make sure your pattern pieces were actually on the parts that are plaid, and then we can arrange them on another paper into the position that you like for the kitty cat. Go ahead and arrange them all before you glue them down to make sure that they are going to fit on the paper. Put in the tail. And I prefer to glue them down with a hot glue gun. It just dries quicker than white glue, although you can use white glue if you prefer. This is just a really fast way to put it all together. We'll glue down all of our pieces. I'm going to put the legs down so they can go underneath the body. And just working quickly with the glue gun. Put the glue on and just slide it right in place so the glue doesn't dry before you stick it down. And the body will cover the edges of the legs and the tail, and we'll finish with the head. Quick little glue and down. From there you can just get a Sharpie to draw in the face. Keep it super simple, make it cute. The sky is the limit for this project with the plaid. You can also just create art that looks like plaid without cutting out the pieces. It's just really fun to play with. And I decided to go in with a metallic pen just to make it more decorative. doing some little spirals in the background with this gold pen. It's a paint marker. You can use any kind of markers or pens or paint that you like. Have fun with it. Keep going till you're happy with it. And here's our finished Plaid Kitty collage. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more art tutorials and 10-day challenges. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at heatherboyd.art and tag me if you create any of the squeegee art from the 10-day challenge. Have fun with the projects, and we'll see you the next time.